Thinking about taking your favorite tree with you when you move? It's possible, but it takes planning, the right tools, and plenty of care to make sure your tree survives the journey. First, consider the size and type of tree. Small, young trees are the easiest to transplant because their roots are still compact. Large, mature trees can be moved too, but they usually require professional help and special equipment to protect the roots and trunk. Timing is key. The best time to move a tree is when it's dormant, usually in late fall or early spring, when it's not actively growing. This helps reduce stress and gives it the best chance to adjust once it's replanted. Before digging, check local rules and get permission if needed. Then, prepare the new location ahead of time so the tree can be replanted as soon as it's dug up. The new hole should be wide and deep enough for the root ball and have good soil drainage. After the move, water the tree well and keep the soil moist for the first few months. Add mulch around the base to help it retain moisture and protect the roots. If you're unsure, it's worth hiring a professional landscaper or arborist to handle the job safely. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.